For every traveler, these are the perfect stretches for you to do before and after your flight. To begin, put your carry-on or backpack down. We're going to stretch the neck. Place your right hand to your left ear and draw your right ear to your right shoulder. Switch sides, drawing your left ear towards your left shoulder. Keep your right shoulder down and breathe. Go ahead and take your hands to your lower back, fingertips facing up, or you can interlace your hands. If possible, straighten out your arms. Now engage the core and open up your chest. Make sure you're breathing as you're doing this. And then relax, loosen those shoulders out. On a short lunge, step your left foot back. Grab your left wrist with your right hand, lifting up and over to the right side. Simple enough. Switch sides, stepping your right foot back now. Side bending to the left. Back to center. Bringing your feet together. Spinal twist. Hook your right elbow over your left knee. Press the palms, rotating to the left. Let's bring out the spine and the other side. Left elbow over your right knee. Twisting, inhale. And exhale. Back to center. A gentle bend in the knees. Separate your feet inner hip distance now. Take a forward fold. Maybe you grab your feet. Again, bent knees. Sway a little side to side. Decompress the neck, the spine. Let everything drop off the top of your chest, your shoulders. Now separating the feet about mat distance or a little bit wider than hips. Drop your hips to the floor or somewhere in between. Coming into a squat, wiggle a little side to side. Work those inner hips. Keep a long spine, also working your back. And there we go. Grab your bags. Time for takeoff.